Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to change your engine oil at home. It's a simple and essential maintenance task that every car owner should know how to do. So, let's get started. Gather your supplies. The first thing you'll need to do is gather all the supplies you'll need for the oil change. This includes new engine oil, an oil filter, a wrench, an oil pan, gloves, and a funnel. Prepare your car. Next, park your car on a level surface and let the engine cool down for a bit. Then, locate the oil drain plug underneath the car and place the oil pan underneath it to catch the old oil. Drain the old oil. Using a wrench, carefully loosen the oil drain plug and let the old oil drain out completely into the oil pan. Be sure to dispose of the old oil properly at a recycling center. Replace the oil filter. While the old oil is draining, locate the oil filter and use an oil filter wrench to remove it. Be sure to clean the area around the filter before installing the new one. Apply a thin layer of new oil to the rubber gasket of the new filter before screwing it on. Add new oil. Once the old oil has drained and the new filter is in place, it's time to add the new engine oil. Use a funnel to pour in the correct amount of oil according to your car's specifications. Check the oil level. After adding the new oil, start your car and let it run for a few minutes. Then, turn it off and check the oil level using the dipstick. Add more oil if needed to reach the proper level. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your engine oil at home. Remember to keep up with regular oil changes to keep your car running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips.